What's up guys, it's Samuel here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on, well, it's a kind of a two-part kendama tutorial. It is beginner, so it's more for you beginner people. This is going to be an airplane and a jumping stick tutorial kind of all in one, so just be prepared. I'm going to try and break it apart as much as I can, but so yeah, here's an example of the airplane. Here's an example of the trick. Let me do one more for you. So that's the airplane. So the airplane, all you're gonna do is kind of hold the can with your left hand if you're if you're right-handed, and right if you're left-handed. It's a very casual swing, so don't swing it too hard, or it's just gonna spin out of control and it's gonna whack you in the head or whatever. You don't want to spin it too. You don't want to push it like that. You just kind of want to let it go and do a light pull inward, just like that. Now, also, if you shake the tama, that's going to help get rid of any of the caught string that's inside of the this little small bevel here. So shake it, do like a little shake like this. That'll make sure it's nice and loose and allow the ken to not spin around while it will help it not spin around while you're doing the actual airplane as much. Another tip for this trick: you don't want to swing it up and catch it like this. That's just bad form. You preferably want to catch it where the small cup or the big cup is facing you. I prefer to have the small cup facing me. It just makes it easiest to do this trick. So kind of swing it up, kind of slightly turn it with your fingers, and catch it in the airplane like this. Start like this if you're a righty. Do it one more time. Catch it like that. I'll do a lefty demo just for you guys. There's a lefty. Okay. Now I'll go with the jumping stick. But this is going to be with only my right hand, so I can't really do one with my left hand. So anyways, I'm going to go over the jumping stick now. So once you get that airplane, then you want preferably, I guess it really doesn't matter which cup you have facing towards you, but you just want a so yeah, I've found it really doesn't matter. Some people prefer the big cup facing them when they do their jumping sticks. This. Or, sorry, no, not like this. Other people prefer the small cup facing them. Whatever works for you, whatever you find easiest after doing that airplane. Then that's what you should do. Whichever one works for you. But for me, it's easiest when I swing it up like that and then go into a jumping stick. The small cup is already facing towards me, so then I can just, after the airplane, I can just do the jumping stick. Alright, this has been a long tutorial. I guess there's not really much I have to say about it. I hope you guys like this. If you did, leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.